Hey guys, welcome back to BlackboxMyCar. We've got another new unit to showcase today, this time from Thinkware, the Thinkware Q200 2-channel dashcam, and this is their latest entry in the 2K QHD dashcam segment. Let's take a look at the capabilities and compare it with a Thinkware Classic, its predecessor, the F200 Pro. Whether you're a parent or a new driver, this is perfect for those looking for their first dashcam. Something easy to install, convenient, and reliable. Just plug and play in under 5 minutes. Now let's start off with some daytime footage. Our first clip here is taken on a somewhat rainy day, driving up the Trans-Canada Highway at highway speeds. Compare this to the Full HD cameras like the F200 Pro and the F70 Pro. The Q200 boasts 2K QHD video resolution at 30 frames per second. As you can see, the Q200 has a narrower field of view at 125 degrees compared to the F200 Pro's 140 degrees. This means it will capture a slightly smaller area within its line of sight with fewer details. Still, in terms of video resolution, the Thinkware Q200 is a significant improvement over the F200 Pro in all aspects. Here in the fast lane, we can still make out valuable info, including words on these signs, and especially the license plates of all 3 drivers that moved to pass us. Plus, the scenic view of the forest isn't bad on the eyes either. Further up the road, it starts raining more heavily, but that doesn't hold back the Q200 from capturing some scenic views. This is especially noticeable in the rainbow we were lucky enough to catch. Side by side with the F200, we can see how most of the skyline is blown out, and the rainbow is barely visible, only in a few shots. The Q200, on the other hand, captures it beautifully, along with the different cloud layers as well. These vibrant colors are thanks to the 2K capabilities. Its front camera uses a 4-megapixel OmniVision sensor, doubling the 2-megapixel sensor on the F200 Pro. More pixels means the overall clarity improves. This can be particularly useful when you're trying to read license plates or capture road signs, even at higher speeds like here. Switching over to some clear daytime recordings, we can see how everyday footage appears brighter too, even in the busy Vancouver streets. This helps the video look less drab overall and have these colors pop. License plates are a bit more difficult to capture here with the F200 when in motion. Though they are both capable of getting the job done when you're just stopped. As you can see, the front cam of the F200 Pro plus both rear cams equally capture in Full HD 1080p. Both rear cams of these models are the same, so we'll focus solely on the front cams. 1080p footage is mainly valuable for lower speed situations, whereas Q200's 2K shines at higher speeds for capturing those precise details. So overall, the daytime performance is great, and we recommend it for daily drivers who want something to record their commutes. Moving on to the nighttime footage, you're going to notice that the Q200 still captures decent videos, especially when sufficient lighting from streetlights is provided. Compare that to the F200 Pro, the lighting is much better and much more balanced, which you can notice when you're passing lampposts and stoplights right here. Here, take a look at this clip as we approach the McDonald's, which will appear much warmer under said streetlights. With the Q200, we can better make out the plates of the parked cars on the side, as well as the cars in the front. Furthermore, it's easier to make out details of the pedestrians walking past. The footage is still overall a bit fuzzy around light sources, which is expected from 2K cameras in this range. The Q200 is likely to be sufficient to capture necessary details in event of an accident, even at night in city situations, especially with its Super Night Vision 2.0 feature. This is an advantage of the Q200 from the F200 Pro, since the F200 Pro's Super Night Vision only works in parking mode. With the Q200, Super Night Vision works in parking mode and also while you're driving. With this on, we can see brighter footage, and furthermore, you're going to notice less film grain and motion blur with the Q200 footage. For drivers who frequently travel during the night, having Super Night Vision is super helpful for documenting any incidents or accidents that occur in the dark, even when you're parked. If you wanted to record footage 24/7, you can activate its parking mode feature by hardwiring it. The hardwire kit is included in both the 1-channel and 2-channel versions. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and an external GPS that comes in every Thinkware Q200 2-channel package. If you want to download, stream, or share footage, you can easily pair this dashcam with your smartphone through the built-in Bluetooth connectivity. This is a new feature that Thinkware has brought in from the U3000. The Bluetooth connection allows for seamless pairing in one go and can even be solely used to control simple features like changing settings. Our in-depth review of the Q200 will be out in the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned. And that's it for the sample footage of the Q200. For us, this is the most reliable option for those who want to have clearer footage than the past Full HD cameras, especially designed for those dipping their toes into the world of dash cams. In our eyes, it's well worth the upgrade from the F200 Pro, which Thinkware always makes easy. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. And if you're planning on getting one from us, use exclusive YouTube code BBMC Tube at checkout and get 5% off your next dash cam. Check you guys later.